Hi, everyone. Welcome back to GrandpaMark's Hobbies and my official entry into the GrandpaMark's Hobbies and Lennis Shultz's first annual Breast Cancer Awareness 24-hour group build, October 11th, tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock Eastern Time is when it starts. Eastern Time. That is important because at midnight Eastern Time, if we can get $2,000 in our GoFundMe donations, which the link is in the description down below, and it'll be in the description on all of our pages. I'm getting my head shaved cue ball style. Beard, mustache, eyebrows, and hair. The only thing I'm keeping is my ear hair and my eyelashes and maybe one or two nose hairs. I'm not sure. But this all started out with Lennis and I just on Messenger one morning talking, and I brought up I would love to do a 24-hour build. And he laughed at me, and we kind of went, all of a sudden it was like, yeah, that would be cool. And it turned into we could give back to the community. We could do a cancer build. We could do a breast cancer build, and it just kept snowballing from there. We can take donations. We could put it online. I can do a live cast with it. And I was just figuring on live cast and rate to my channel. And then that night, I got on with Bruce from Bruce's Eclectic World and Jason from KRD Kline Racing Design. And we were just shooting and, talking. And I mentioned it to him and then just kind of expecting a laugh. And Jason looked up at me with little kid's eyes. He's like, that's a good idea. And it went from there. And now Jason's in on it. Lennis is in on it. I'm in on it. And Bruce, man, thank the world for Bruce. He's doing all the technical stuff for it. So it's going to be all over the place. And we're going to be able to bring people in and out throughout the night. So how cool is that? It's not just going to be us four in Vegas waiting for one of us to fall off the seat. So, it'll be a blast. My entry for this is going to be, let me switch cameras here, the 71 Plymouth Hemi Cuda 426 build. If you remember, I did this naked once and just polished it, and I really, really, really enjoyed the kit. But what I didn't do was light it. So I thought about lighting this thing, and I'm thinking, there's no way in 24 hours. And fortunately, Bruce and Jason and I were talking about rules. And we went back and forth, and then I went back and forth with Lenny, and I said, hey, what if we make it to where we can have pretty much a finished body? Paint it, decal it, get your clips on it, get your clear coat, put your vinyl roof on, get the mirrors locked in if you want. Anything you want to do to the body is cool, as long as it's, the body. But this is what I'm doing. We're going pink with black stripes. The chrome's done, everything's done, and they just made it nice. So now I do have a chance to light this. Even if I can't figure out how to tuck the battery back in the back here in 24 hours, at least I'll have lights in the headlights, and I'm thinking about even lighting the fog lights. I don't know about these, but the fog lights I would really love to light with some yellow lights and resin and make them look like more of the fog lights, and then just clears on the tops. But that's where we are. I got a whole box of pink parts. Not all pink, but I have those, my hood, this was all in here a minute ago, but I did a real bad job and I had to retake everything. My front clip, everything's dry, ready to rock and roll, and my mirrors. So they're ready to go. I didn't put them on because I was afraid I would snap them off trying to put this over top, because I am Snicker bar hands. I mean, come on. My back clip's ready to go. I got my spoiler. I got my louvers. I got my shaker. I even got the Hemi Power dry brushed on there with the Fusion Firm. I said it right and tried to correct myself. But that's what I wanted to do, is make it to where everybody had a chance to get a good looking body on their build. And then everything else we'll have fun with. And that's what a group build's all about. You can see I didn't do anything else. One of my tires fell off the tree. It must have been overripe. Even my chrome, I'm going to strip my chrome parts first thing. So I don't have chrome carbs. Valve covers and stuff like that. I have a cool idea for the look of this thing, especially with that pink going on with the black stripe. But this is where we are. Again, a GoFundMe down in the link in the description will be the first link in the description. And I know Lennis is setting it up to where that's going to be the way in his too, and we'll all work from there. But I think this is going to work out really great. We're going to have a blast. I will see you here at 8 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow morning, and we're going to see how this works. With that, I'll let you go. I do want to thank Gallery for everything they have done for me. I want to thank our veterans, our first responders, and our active duty people for everything they have done. They're putting it out on the line every day, and I salute each and every one of you. Here's our group page or group build cover picture. And with that, I'm going to let you go. Do me a favor. I don't beg, but please donate so I can get this mop cut off my head. It's been driving me nuts since July. And with that, I'll let you go. You all have a great day, a better tomorrow, and thank you very much for everything.